In a bowl, add 1/4 cup गेहूं का आटा and 1/4 cup मैदा. Then add half teaspoon salt and some dried herbs, or you can put oregano also. Mix well. Now add some water to make a soft and sticky dough. Add a tablespoon of oil. A tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons, so add 1 teaspoon at a time until you see that the dough is no longer sticky. Do not add flour, because if you add flour the dough will become hard and then our bread will not be good. Now after putting the 3 teaspoons of oil and kneading the dough for about 5 minutes, we'll cover it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the makhani sauce. In a hot pan with 2 tablespoons of water, add around 2 medium-sized roughly chopped tomatoes and then add 6 cloves of garlic and 2 small red chilies. Give it a quick stir and let the mixture come to a boil. Now for the flavor, we'll add half teaspoon red chili powder and salt according to taste. Mix well until all the masalas are combined. Now cover the mixture with a lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes at medium flame. After a minute of cooking time, add around 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can add more according to your taste, and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Give it a quick stir. Now add half tablespoon eggless mayonnaise. Whisk well until you see no lumps of mayonnaise left in the gravy. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and then cover it and cook again for about 2 minutes. Now we'll step forward to the grinding process, but before grinding them, allow them to cool at room temperature. Now put them in a jar and add around 2 teaspoons of oregano, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, you can add more if you want, and then add a slurry of a tablespoon of maida and 1/4 cup of water. Now grind them until you get a fine sauce. Now let's move on to the assembling part. So I have got a springform cake tin. I have taken out the base. You can also use a pizza plate or a steel plate, but steel plate, I don't prefer steel plate because it tends to burn. So I have taken a springform cake tin. I have taken the base of it. So spread the mixed herbs dough we prepared earlier on the tin to make the base of the pizza. Now our base is ready. Now let's pour the makhani sauce we prepared. Be generous with the amount of sauce. You can add as much as you like. Now place 3 cheese slices which we normally get from the market. Now grab 7 to 8 paneer cubes or cottage cheese cubes and dip them in the sauce we prepared earlier and place them on the pizza. Make sure you cover all the cubes entirely with the sauce. After placing all the paneer cubes on the pizza, sprinkle half teaspoon oregano and half teaspoon chili flakes. You can put as much as you like. Bake your pizza at 190 degrees centigrade for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the base is cooked. So enjoy your pizza and do give this recipe a thumbs up if you like it. Bye bye.